At Upkeep Plus, our mission is to empower our viewers with practical knowledge and skills that enhance their everyday lives. Through our diverse range of topics spanning maintenance tutorials, digital media production, and worldviews, we strive to inspire creativity, promote efficiency, and foster a deeper understanding of the world around us. We believe that everyone deserves access to quality information and resources that enable them to live better, more fulfilling lives. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet, producing a stunning video, or gaining insight into different cultures and perspectives, our channel provides a platform for learning and growth. With a commitment to accuracy, clarity, and authenticity, we aim to be a trusted source of information and inspiration for our viewers. By continually seeking out new and innovative ways to share knowledge and connect with our community, we aspire to be a valuable resource for lifelong learning and self-improvement. At Upkeep Plus, our mission is to help you achieve your full potential, one video at a time. We strive to create a welcoming and inclusive environment where everyone feels empowered to participate, ask questions, and share their own experiences and perspectives. We believe that by fostering a sense of community, we can create a space for meaningful dialogue and collaboration that enriches the learning experience for all. We are committed to staying up to date with the latest trends and best practices in our respective fields, and we are constantly exploring new topics and areas of interest to bring fresh and engaging content to our viewers. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious novice, we hope that our channel provides you with the tools and resources you need to achieve your goals and realize your full potential. At Upkeep Plus, we believe that learning is a lifelong journey, and we are honored to be a part of yours. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we look forward to continuing to inspire and empower you in the days, weeks, and years to come.
Thank you for watching. If you liked our videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.